How to search for a New York pain clinic. When it comes time to choose a New York pain clinic, then you are likely someone who has been suffering for some time. Don't waste any more time with underqualified professionals. Ensure that the clinic is accredited. While this is not required to offer a pain management program, it is a way to ensure that the staff is training and qualified to assist you on your path towards a more comfortable life. There are a couple different accreditations that a clinic might have. The American Academy of Pain Management ensures that a clinic has met peer review compliance standards. The American Board of Pain Medicine tests professionals on their experience and training to ensure that they are adequately prepared to offer assistance to pain sufferers. There is a good reason that a New York pain clinic asks a million questions. If you are not presented a form or scheduled for a general consultation, then you can assume that the clinic is not worth your time. The types of questions that may be asked may vary from clinic to clinic, but there are many that will be consistent from one to the other. Aside from your general contact information, you may be asked if there is a specific cause of the initial pain, if there has been a diagnosis given to it, where the majority of pain resides, the range of your pain on some predetermined scale, i.e. 0 for no pain, 10 for the worst pain, and what has worked to reduce the pain in the past. Be as forthcoming with information as possible. Even if something seems inconsequential to you, that may not be the case in the eyes of the practitioner. Remember, the interview process should not be one-sided. You should be armed with a number of questions and concerns that you want addressed on your first visit. Inquire about the typical test performed, the treatment options the clinic offers, the medications that may be prescribed, etc. These questions will help you get a clear picture of what the New York Pain Clinic has to offer and will also determine whether or not you will be comfortable as a patient there. Comfort should be your major concern. You should be comfortable talking about your problems, shouldn't be rushed, and should feel that the doctor has positive insight to offer. There is always one more thing to keep in the back of your mind. Though it is a nuisance to keep switching from one doctor to another New York pain clinic, you can always switch pain clinics if the tests and treatment options are not working for you. Recall, however, that determining the source of pain and the proper treatment plan will not always be simple. It may take a longer period of time than would be required for easier diagnosis. If you feel uncomfortable or not being given adequate time to talk about your feelings, questions, and concerns each step of the way, or simply feel that you would receive better care elsewhere, do not hesitate to make a switch. It is your body and you owe nothing to anyone when it comes to caring for it.